travel as much as I do, you want to pack light and you want to make sure you got signature items that's going to always do what it needs to do. So get a look and feel of the closet. As you can see, everything is streamlined, clean lines, and there's order in the chaos, but it's not too stale and stagnant. The first thing we want to focus on, you always want to start from the top and work yourself all the way down because you want to maximize the closet space. Resale. Yes, resale. There's a lot of money to be made in a resale space, and it's also a way for you to really focus on where you want to spend your money and always look at clothes as an investment. Because that's the thing, knock on wood. Clothes is like art and art is like clothes. It's an investment, so you want to spend a little bit more to invest in how you look so you can gain back. You won't believe how many times I've heard clients say, you know, I got that job because you told me to get that skirt. Or I, you know, got a new venture offer and opportunity because I bought the right kind of suit. So you want to empower yourself, feel good, and be able to grow and expand with yourself, building yourself into a brand. So we work from top down, and then from there, denim. Denim, 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 denim. It's important for you to fold your denim